Most online stores don't fail because ads are bad. They don't fail because of competition. They fail because their website is not built to sell. If you are posting daily, running ads, and still getting no sales, chances are your store is making one of these 5 big mistakes. Stay with me because I will show you how to fix each one. Reason number 1, confusing homepage. Your homepage is not supposed to be a photo gallery, it's your online shop sales page. But 8 out of 10 stores I reviewed waste it on random sliders, too many buttons, and no clear direction. When a customer lands, they see too many choices and leave. To fix this, use a headline that explains what you sell and why it matters. A big button that takes me straight to your product or offer. Think of a home page like a shop assistant. Should they clearly say, "Here's how can I help you? Start here," or mumble random things hoping you figure it out? Reason 2, no trust signals. Imagine walking into a shop with no customers, no reviews, no receipts. Would you trust it? Of course not. Online is the same. No reviews, no testimonials, no proof is equal to no sales. To fix this, use testimonials, photos from customers, or even a friend trying your product. Social proof is not optional, it's what makes people trust you. Reason 3, weak product pages. Most product pages look like boring inventory cards, just a title, short text, and price. But people don't buy products, they buy results. To fix this, show benefits, not just features. Example: don't say blender with 600-watt motor. Say make healthy smoothies in under 30 seconds. Start your morning with energy. Use lifestyle photos, demo videos, and comparison shots. Think of your product like your best salesperson. Reason 4, no clear funnel. Here's the truth: stores don't fail because of the product, they fail because they don't guide customers properly. Most brands send people from Instagram to a messy homepage and expect them to figure it out. To fix this, every ad, post, or email should send people to one page with one offer. Don't confuse them. Funnels are like GPS for your customer. Without it, they get lost. Reason 5, bad mobile experience. 70% of online shopping today happens on phones. Yet, so many stores look only good on computers. Tiny text, broken buttons, slow loading. Would you buy from that? To fix this, open your own store on your phone. If you wouldn't buy, others won't either. Make it fast, easy to click, and phone friendly. Mobile first is not optional anymore, it's survival. Here's a store I pulled online. The homepage has no clear button, product pages are copy paste text, and reviews are hidden. If I just apply these 5 fixes: clear homepage, trust signals, better product copy, a funnel, and mobile design, this store could easily double or triple sales without spending extra money on ads. I have built and worked on 2 websites where I learned how to turn confusing store designs into clear customer friendly ones. Now I am looking to help online stores and coaches improve their sales by applying these same strategies. If you had like me to take a look at your store and see how we can boost its performance, comment down grow and let's talk.